You're listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.
Before you sign anything in Korea's property market, the numbers just moved in 3 directions at once. 70 redevelopment zones across Seoul have permits in hand, but no construction underway. Loan curbs are squeezing real buyers, even as cash-rich buyers dominate the priciest neighborhoods. Banks including IBK just halted new variable rate mortgages nationwide. And today, the president himself is chairing a national debate that could rewrite the lending rules. It's Thursday, July 23rd. Let's look at what's happening in Korea's property market. Seoul's redevelopment sites have been squeezed by rigid zoning rules, project financing curbs, and shrinking relocation loans all at once. On top of that, profit-sharing rules on rebuilding gains and rental housing quotas have made many projects barely break even. Regulators are now watching this collide with a nationwide housing debate the government hopes will reset the whole policy mix. Here's what the numbers show. Seoul logged just 9,630 housing groundbreakings between January and May, down 10.7% from a year earlier. Of the city's 472 approved redevelopment zones, only 60 have actually broken ground, just 12.7% of the total. 5 major banks pushed household loan growth to 4.68 trillion won this month, roughly $3.2 billion, already over their annual cap of 4.33 trillion won. IBK Bank halted new variable rate mortgage lending at every branch nationwide this week. Under last October's rules, a home priced above 2.5 billion won caps mortgage borrowing at just 200 million won. Cash reliance among Seoul buyers fell sharply too. The loan-to-price ratio dropped to 45.67% last month from 52.97% a year earlier. And in Apgujeong, it collapsed from 34.17% to 18.7%. So what does this mean for buyers weighing a purchase this year? Earlier, we said loan curbs are shutting out real buyers while cash-rich buyers take over. Here's what that actually means for you. Without deep cash reserves, today's lending caps push your ceiling well below asking prices in Seoul's core districts. Today's national housing debate could ease those caps specifically for first-time buyers and households with no other home, so the next few weeks matter more than usual. Until that relief actually lands, choosing between staying in jeonse and buying outright remains a harder call than it's been in years. That's today's AI Prism, Real Estate. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI Prism is a Won Ifrah award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.
You've been listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.